This 6-year-old shower panel from Uberhaus has very low water pressure and next to no hot water at all. Don't forget to turn off your main water supply before you take anything apart. You can see the temperature gauge just keeps spinning around. It doesn't engage. Gently pry this cap off with a screwdriver. Loosen the set screw. No need to take it out all the way like I did, and the handle will pop right off. Look at all this calcium deposit, stopping the spring from moving. All I had to do was pop it in a bowl of vinegar for an hour, no scrubbing needed. It turned out to be as good as new. I put the set screw in place and tested it all out before I tightened it up and put the cap back on. There was still no hot water, so I decided to take it off the wall. You just lift it up and off the brackets. Have a second person hold it while you disconnect the hoses. After also disconnecting the hoses from the unit, I found these filters. I decided not to put them back in. I reinstalled everything, and look at that pressure and steam. It was just dirty filters.